Last month, Emma's friend Mark bought a brand new car. A shiny red sports car, fresh off the lot. $28,000. He posted it everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, the works. Everyone was hyped. The comments were insane. That same night, Emma came home with a look I recognized immediately. She wasn't talking about Mark anymore. She was talking about herself. She sat down, pulled up her phone, and showed me a car listing. "Jake, look at this one. 26,000. It's perfect. I've been saving. I have 6,000 in my account. I could put it as a down payment. 500 a month for 5 years. I barely feel it." She was smiling, genuinely excited. I didn't say no. Instead, I put my laptop on the table, opened a notebook, and said, "Okay, let's do the math together." We started with what the car actually costs. $26,000, 5-year loan at 7% interest. Monthly payment, $514. Emma wrote it down. Total paid over 5 years, $30,840. For a car that, by year 5, is worth around $9,000. Emma stopped writing. "Wait, so I'm paying $30,000 for something worth $9,000, I nodded. "That's $21,800. Gone." She stared at the number for a long time. But that's not even the full picture. We added insurance, maintenance, fuel, parking. Easily another $400 a month on top of the loan, so the real cost of that car. $900 a month. Emma put her pen down. That's almost half my salary, exactly. And while she's spending $900 a month on a depreciating asset, something that loses value every single day, Mark is doing the same thing across town, feeling great about it. Then I asked her the question that changed everything. What if you kept the 6,000 you saved? Bought a reliable used car for that exact amount? And invested the $514 every month instead? Emma looked at me like I was crazy. A $6,000 car. Are you serious? I opened a calculator. Just watch. $514 a month. Into an S&P 500 index fund. Average historical return of 10% per year. After year 1, $6,400. After year 3, $21,000. After year 5, the same 5 years Mark spent paying off his loan, Emma would have $40,200 invested. Growing. Hers. Emma grabbed the notebook and did the math herself. Mark spent $30,000. Has a car worth $9,000. Net position. Mine is $21,000. Emma has $40,000 in investments. Has a working used car. Net position. Plus $40,000. Same 5 years. Same monthly budget. $61,000 difference. She looked up from the notebook with the expression, "I'll never forget." Why is Mark celebrating? But here's the part Emma loved most. After just 3 years of investing, she'd have around $21,000 saved. Plus her used car, sold for around $4,000. That's $25,000. Cash. She could walk into any dealership, point at any car under $25,000, and buy it, in full. No loan, no interest, no monthly payments. While Mark is still on month 36 of 60 payments, Emma would own her dream car outright, and still have money in the market. We kept going. Year 10, Emma's portfolio, $104,000. Mark is probably financing his third car by now. Year 20, Emma, $390,000. Enough to buy a house, cash. Year 30, $1.2 million. All from the same $514 a month. The same money she was about to give to a bank. Emma closed her notebook. I need to call Mark. Here's what most people don't understand about money. The people celebrating the new car purchase, they're celebrating a liability. Something that costs money every single month and loses value every single day. The boring choice, the used car, the index fund, the patience, that's what quietly builds wealth. Nobody posts about it on Instagram. But in 30 years, they won't need to. The math doesn't care about the likes. If this made you think twice about your next big purchase, subscribe. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Money lessons they didn't teach you in school. I'm Jake. This is Off the Books. See you Wednesday.